It has 4 Pratt & Whitney engines on it that generate 40,400 pounds of thrust each. It is the same type of engine that is used on the Boeing 757 jetliner, and it has a maximum takeoff weight of 585,000 pounds from its first flight back in 1991, September 15th of that year. This aircraft is the 3rd most expensive airplane ever built in the world after the B-2 and the E-3 Century. Ladies and gentlemen, representing your United States Air Force, the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. Now, do you see the winglets at the end of the wingtips? Just to give you an idea about the size, those winglets, those things that are sticking almost straight up at the edge of at the wingtips, are used to reduce drag. Those are 9 feet high, almost the size for LeBron James to get another 26 points. He's receiving vectors for his departure.
I chair this thing.
Now, as the C-17 turns around up there, give Kirk Wicker a big wave as he comes in. The C-17 Globemaster III is a hybrid airplane combining the short takeoff and landing capabilities of the Lockheed C-130 Hercules that's been around since 1951 and the huge C-5 Galaxy that first flew in 1968. The readiness capability of the C-17 Globemaster III rates up in the high 90 percentile. It is so well designed that it can take an amazing load at amazing speeds of over 500 miles per hour. The pilots have a joystick instead of a big control wheel or control yoke. As big as this airplane is, it only takes 3 crew members to operate it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the departure flight. Take a look at this. We were only supposed to get 1 pass, and that's what we got. This is just saying bye-bye. Here is the C-17 Globemaster III. How about a big round of applause for your United States Air Force's C-17 Globemaster III.